Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals, some wild animals and some safari animals. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready toddlers? Let's start the video. The first animal is a peacock. This is a peacock. P is for peacock. This is a peacock. P is for peacock. This is a sheep. This is a sheep. S is for sheep. This is a sheep. This is a sheep. This is a leopard. L is for leopard. This is a leopard. L is for leopard. This is a lion king. This is a lion. A lion is the king of forest. This is a lion. This is a zebra. Z is for zebra. This is a zebra. A zebra. This is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. R is for rabbit. This is a rabbit. This is a dog. This is a dog. D is for dog. This is a dog. This is a horse. This is a horse. H is for horse. A horse. This is a cow. C is for cow. This is a cow. This is a cow. This is a hen. This is a hen. H is for hen. This is a hen.